The first car we found is a 1949 Chrysler Royal for sale at $3,500. It is located in Concord, California, with a straight-six engine. It needs some repairs because it can be started but doesn't run, although the engine is complete. Extra parts are in the trunk. Despite needing repairs, this classic car could be a great restoration project for enthusiasts. If interested, you can check the link in the video description. The second car is a 1967 Plymouth Fury 3 wagon, priced at $4,000, located in Martinez, California. The car can run and stop, has a big engine, and everything works. It's pink, with all the chrome and original windows. The rear window operates with a key or switch. The rear can be converted into a seat or bed. It has 2 spare tires and a spare battery. New tires. Original upholstery and some fur from the 80s. In good condition. The rear bumper has a step. No accidents, no need for emissions testing. All lights work. The handbrake needs a slight adjustment. It has a stock stereo to be reinstalled, upgraded with an 8-track. It has a cool exhaust like a hot rod. New carburetor and alternator. No leaks. Doesn't overheat. There's some rust here and there, but it's not visible when driving on the road. Next, the third car is a 1970 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $4,800, located in Stockton, California. The car works well, all windows work except the passenger seat window. The car has just had an oil change, and there are some minor interior and exterior flaws as shown before, but nothing major. Last checked at around 98,000 miles in 2019, hasn't been checked since then. Additionally, the car is clean and well maintained. It might need further inspection given it hasn't been checked since 2019, and you should consider the condition of the non-functioning passenger seat window. However, with the recent oil change and clean condition, this car remains appealing to potential buyers. Number 6, a 1963 Mercury, priced at $4,300. The location is in Chatham, Kent, Ontario. The car has a new 352 engine, functioning and running perfectly. Only the interior needs a bit of refurbishment, such as the seats. With its new engine and excellent performance, it is a prime model for its new owner. Next, we found a 1960 Ford Falcon for sale at $4,200, located in South San Francisco. All parts are original, about 42,000 miles. This car hasn't been driven for 10 years and has been garage kept its whole life except for the last year with a cover. Purchased from Fred Lautza Ford dealer in South San Francisco and remained in South City since then. The second owner inherited it from a previous family member. This car doesn't run, needs a battery, fuel tank cleaning and radiator, which is available but not yet installed. This vehicle is an interesting restoration project with great potential given its mostly original condition and low mileage. However, you need to be prepared to fix this car to make it function optimally again. The eighth car, a 1963 Pontiac Parisian for sale at $3,600, located in North Dumfries, Ontario. All original parts are still there and the price reflects this. The rear 4 feet of this car protrudes, so the rear frame, trunk bed, and rear quarter panels are really rusty and need replacement. The engine is around 280 or above, I forget the exact capacity, but the engine can be started and runs. The front is in good condition, as are the frame rails from the back seat to the front bumper. You need to disassemble from the back and rebuild it, and it needs new floors. The original components and functioning engine make it worth considering. Next, the ninth car, a 1974 Dodge Charger priced at $2,500, located in Edmonton, Alberta. It doesn't run or drive, but the previous owner said the engine still turns over. The metal is very solid without holes or rusted metal except for one or two on the door. A very good car for restoration, also open to barter if interested. You can find great potential in this classic car. The last car we found is a 1951 Ford Deluxe sedan for sale at $1,200, located in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta, with a full driveline. V8 engine with 3 on the tree transmission. The car was still running when parked. The price offered is quite attractive for classic car enthusiasts who want to start a restoration project.